Hello everyone. Couple of days back, I was thinking of making this video on meetings. You attend a lot of meetings every day as a corporate professional or as a businessman and or in any sort of profession. And meetings takes a lot of our time, our precious time for our regular work as well as our personal jobs as well. And the idea was that how can we make our meetings effective so that our meetings doesn't become multiple meetings, also takes a lot of time of us. So how do we really solve it? So again, when I was thinking of making this video, I researched more on meetings and found that from Lucid, again I will give a link down below where I found it, that there are 16 types of meetings. Now definitely in one video I cannot solve all the problem of all the meetings. In these 16 types, it can be segregated into three segments: cadence meetings, catalyst meetings, learn and influence meetings. So today we'll be talking more about catalyst meetings and how we really can do better catalyst meetings. Now, in catalyst meetings, the idea is that there are idea generation, planning, workshops, problem solving, decision making, and this sort of meetings that really happens. What really happens in this sort of meeting? If you look at this sort of meetings, you will see that these meetings takes a lot of time. If it's not facilitated as a design thinking workshop, if it's just a meeting which is table set of meetings, then what happens is people hardly reach consensus and creates a lot of problem. So what really happens in this sort of meeting? First of all, in this sort of meeting, you first know the agenda, and of course everyone else does the same, whoever is attending the meeting, and then they share their opinion, and this shared opinion is more like from a personal point of view, from their own point of view, from their own experience. So again, these experiences collate with each other. If the situation is kind of complex, then what happens? Whether agreement is reached or not, right? And most of the time, if the agreement is reached, everyone else is not happy with the outcome. So if the outcome is not something that everyone else is happy with, then definitely your meeting is not effective. Then you have to do multiple rounds to make sure everyone is on the board and so on and so forth. So how do you do it better? First, understand the challenge and repeat your understanding. If you understand the challenge, I'm sure it's great. If you don't understand the challenge, then that's a problem. You're solving something that you don't know what to solve. So understand the challenge, repeat your understanding if you are attending as an audience. And if you're calling the meeting yourself, I'm sure you are understanding the challenge yourself. So you say it so that everyone else have the same language and what are they trying to solve. Second, be curious. Clarify your concerns. Whatever people are saying, clarify your concerns, right? Ask open-ended questions. Instead of asking questions where the answer can be yes or no, like whether you can do it or you cannot do it, ask questions like how, why, what, this sort of questions, so that people give more clarification on what they are saying. And once, if you have concerns and if your concerns is not answered, then ask more questions, ask more clarifying questions. The more question that you ask, the better the result will be. And again, when I'm saying about being curious, please be curious not only for yourself, also when anyone is giving any concern or any idea or any suggestion, please take it and ask clarifying questions so that the ideas is being acted upon or is being thought through. Then finally, summarize conclusion of the whole meeting agenda when no one else have any more questions. If anyone else have any more questions, stop right and there, and again, be curious and try to answer as a community of the meeting, as everyone try to answer the problem that the question that is being raised. Now from now on, what you need to do, you have to practice understanding the challenge, be curious, and how you can be curious within a meeting. And definitely, once everyone's question is being answered, take people's question, and once everyone's question is being answered, summarize it. The more you practice and practice, I'm sure you'll be seeing less time involvement in your meeting, and same meeting will not have multiple rounds for you guys to solve. If you have liked this video, please do put a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.